Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Ian Carlos TV. I'm just gonna dress up and we're gonna go to Saitama Flea Market here in Japan. Come on.
For today's bag, I will wear Jumbo Chanel.
So let's check what can fit inside my bag. So it can fit my pouch, my wallet, my charger, my phone, and my keys. And also I'm trying to wear it like this.
You know what, it's more easier if I'll wear it like this, like a sling bag, because it's until here. It still looks good and not that super girly, because you know Chanel is for girls, but it's jumbo size, so it's still okay, right? Anyways, let's go. I'm so happy to use this today. Look at my mess. I just moved out to my new apartment. It's so small. This one has no brand. It's a black typical shoes. Basic one. Just want to spill the truth. I live in a small apartment. I am the person who doesn't want to pay a lot of bills. I mean, like, if there's something cheaper, I'll go for it. I'm the person who wants to pay less because I want to save more on luxury.
No, that's just my technique. Pay less for basic needs and save more for luxury. That's being wise for me in a parallel universe.
Saturday.
So I'm done vlogging the flea market here in Saitama, and I'm just gonna have a coffee with my date. Hi there, sweetie. So guys, this area is in Urawa Station, which is in Saitama, but it's very close in Tokyo. So this flea market only happens twice a year, which is, I believe, March and November. And also I think they're doing it for 3 to 4 days. I'm not sure about it. So here's my lunch for today. And if secondhand is not for you, they do have Louis Vuitton store, Rolex, Hermes, Tiffany, and many more. But I think secondhand for me is not bad because you can save money if you buy secondhand. And sometimes they're just slightly used, so it's not really bad to buy secondhand. Sometimes it's really fun going thrift shopping because you will really see the rare items and the face out items in this secondhand shop. And I have a friendly advice and not so serious tips for you guys. How to afford or save money to buy luxury or designer brand.
Don't pay your bills.
I mean, I chose the cheapest apartment. I'm very careful to use electricity, gas, and water. I always choose the cheapest needs for my daily life so that I will still have money for my happiness, which is designer brand or luxury. Who cares if you will just eat pancit canton or just McDonald's after buying the most expensive bag? At the end of the day, it's all about you. It's not about what other people will say to you. It's about what will your husband will say to you. Just kidding. Stay happy and subscribe, please.
Thank you.